Energy. What you need to know about biofuels. Agro fuel, commonly as biofuel, is derived from a biomass. It can be a solid, liquid, or gas fuel. Biofuel is now a common means of decreasing the greenhouse gas emissions and is now used as fossil fuel alternative. It is eyed to replace fossil fuels in the near future. However, it was researched that though biofuel reduces the greenhouse effect, the release of nitrous oxide from commonly used biofuel contributes much to global warming. Biofuels are now used in many countries and are now extensively expanding in big continents such as Europe, Asia, and America. The production of biofuels is derived from any carbon source, particularly plants. According to studies, it is environmentally safe to produce biofuels because the sources are easily replenished. The most common use of biofuels is for the automotive and transportation industries. Biofuels are made in 3 generations. The first generation biofuels are made from crop goods such as sugar and starch, vegetable oil, and animal fats. With the help of conventional technology, these components are used to manufacture some sorts of biofuels. In countries with warm climate, biofuels made from vegetable oil are now being used as fuel for automobiles with diesel engine. Because vegetable oil has a low quality for fuel, it has to be mixed with the conventional diesel fuel. Biodiesel is a common first-generation biofuel. It is similar to a mineral diesel. Biodiesel is made from vegetable oil mixed with sodium hydroxide and methanol. Like the vegetable oil, biodiesel is now used in diesel engines but has to be mixed with mineral diesel. Another type of first-generation biofuel is the bioalcohol. It is produced biologically with ethanol, butanol, and propanol. It is done through fermentation. Of all the 3, butanol is the only liquid and the only bioalcohol that can actually produce high energy. An automobile should be first modified before using butanol. Otherwise, it can cause the engine to burn when mixed directly with existing gasoline engines. Ethanol fuel is used worldwide. Sugar is fermented to create enzymatic digestion. It is now considered as a replacement for gasoline, and it is safe to mix it with gasoline at any percentage. Methanol is produced from natural gas, which is a kind of fossil fuel. Hydrogen economy has long been used by many countries, but is now being replaced by methanol. Biogas is a very effective product of biofuels. It is produced from biodegradable waste materials through the process of anaerobic digestion. Solid biofuels are made from wood, charcoal, and dried excrement. The second generation of biofuels is produced using the biomass to liquid technology that extracts biofuels from non-food crops. Biohydrogen is one common type of the second generation fuel. It is now used in fuel cells to produce electricity. DMF is manufactured from fructose, glucose using the biomass to liquid process. DMF is now widely used in compression ignition engine. Biomethanol, almost the same as methanol, is now being used in automobiles and can mix with petrol with up to 20% without any significant changes. FT diesel or Fischer-Tropsch diesel is not used with fossil diesel without any relevant effect. Wood diesel, another type of the second generation biofuels, is extracted from wood chips. The oil produced is mixed with unmodified diesel engines, and the charcoal byproduct is used as a fertilizer. The third generation biofuel is from algae. In some countries, algae farming is now a growing industry to suffice the need for cheaper oil. The industry for biofuel is now growing in some countries. Resources for biomass are continuously being discovered as the demand for biofuels increases. Other uses of biofuel are also continuously being discovered. In some countries where oil is expensive, biofuels have been applied for cooking indoors. However, it was noted that it is also one of the sources of health problems in these places. A number of benefits are noted upon the use of biofuels. Reduction of greenhouse effect, fossil fuel use, increase in energy security, increase in rural development, and poverty reduction are some of them. With industrialization widely being embraced by many countries, the need for fuel is increasing. With the high cost of current fuels being used, some countries cannot accommodate competition with rich countries. But with the biofuel, it is now possible. However, the use of biofuel is not unlimited. It has limitations like other sources of energy. Manufacturers and producers of biofuels should know well that the resources should be replaced or replenished rapidly. Otherwise, a more negative effect will come into the picture. Though some negative effects were mentioned with the use of biofuels, the advantages are still greater. With proper knowledge and understanding of biofuel, everyone worldwide will surely benefit from biofuels.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.